Hello and welcome back to Zoo Building. Dun-dun-dun-dun. I'm sorry I haven't been doing lots of Zoo Building episodes lately. I've been playing Stress Table a lot. I would have recorded that, but I couldn't. Every time I went to try to get the Stress Table ready, and then so basically, when Stress Table was on, I couldn't reach the Screencast-O-Matic recorder. So I couldn't do that, and then I tried to put it on my screen before starting up Stress Table and then clicking play, but it just didn't work. Sorry, I'm a bit sick, so yeah, today I stayed home, so I'm sick and I'll need to blow my nose lots of times. Okay. So today we are going to be, honestly, I don't really know. I think just collecting up some wood and then we'll see what happens from there. Hopefully, today none of our puppies will die. Okay, puppies? Rex is hiding in the leaves like, no promises. You didn't look me in the eye. Wait, I don't have an axe. Oh my god. Okay, good, I do. Okay, so we're gonna put away... It's time to get... Okay. Jeez. Okay. Okay, just gotta... Actually, I don't need coal, because I won't be able to smelt anything anyways. Oh, yeah, maybe. Okay, so putting... honestly, that wasn't the most successful, looting adventure, because we used up all of the stuff, but hey, it's good to be progressive. Okay, you puppies are gonna stay here. Let me just see if I can make any more ingots. Ugalug. How do I? Oh, right. Sitting on the second. Okay, dang, I don't think I have enough for an iron ingot. If you guys know how to make an iron ingot, please tell me in the comments below. I have no idea how. Yeah, I don't think we'll need this stuff. I might bring my iron sword just in case. You never know when battle might come among us. And I won't bring my crafting table, because I need a crafting table here. Okay, so I might be able to do 2 videos, maybe even 3, but it depends on how long this episode decides to take to upload. Ah, yes, my vines finally made it to the ground. There's like 1 vine left to grow, and then we'll have a complete curtain. I love that aspect. Should I risk it? Bring my puppies? It would be nice to be... I mean, come on. What could kill them in the forest? I'll bring some doggy food. So that at least if they start to die, I can have some food. When the days are darkened... By the way, if you wonder what I'm singing one of Imagine Dragons' song called Demons. If you guys like or know Imagine Dragons, tell me in the comments below. I love it. They're my favorite band. Okay. Come on, Rex. Actually, let's only bring a few of you. So we'll bring Lily and actually do closing. Wait, I'm gonna push these puppies into a little circle, and then I'll close my eyes. I promise my eyes will be closed, but they're not closed yet because I'm just moving the puppies around. But I'll just close my eyes and then I'll spin my hand around and then I'll be like 1, 2, 3, and then I'll stop my hand. And whichever dog it's pointing at will be the dog, one of the dogs to come with us. And then we'll be like, okay, and do it again. And if it lands on the same dog, we'll do it again and again and again until we get a different result. Come on, Rex! Come on, Rex! Do I really have to use my secret weapon? Hey, Rexy puppy! Come here. Ugh! Puppy! I really don't want to make a... I have to make a hole in a floor. Do I at least have some shears? I'm sorry, people watching this video. I just destroyed a leaf block. Oh, Rex, come! Come, Rex. Okay, come snuggle with me. It's not considered night yet. Come on, puppy. Get up, Rex. Ugh. Okay, well, apparently Rex... Oh, dang. Now I made him happy. Don't go near the other... I won't feed the other puppies food, or else they'll breed. Okay, so let's just say Rex will be the... Rex will stay here, because he already had a tough beating. Okay, closing my eyes, I promise. And 3, 2, 1, doink! Whoops, pointing in the wrong way. 3, 2, 1, doink! Lily! Come here! Don't fall in the wall. Oh yeah, maybe don't go. Maybe I'll just let you sit down until the last minute. Okay, hope. Oh, well that was close. Damn. Oh my god, I didn't even mean for that. Like, I didn't at all mean for me to just walk off. I by mistake clicked the keyboard. I'm so glad I didn't die. Because honestly, I don't think I've even set my spawn point to here. Well, I've slept here before, so I think it would do it. But I might have slept somewhere else. Okay. Closing my eyes. Let me just... Okay, closing my eyes. 3, 2, 1... Doink! Sorry, I sort of had my eyes open there. Not trying to cheat. 3, 2, 1... Doink! Alpha. It was the name... Oh! I don't know how girl breeding goes. Welcome to the family. We have a puppy, guys! We have a puppy! He's adorable! I want to snuggle him. I'm sorry, this was by mistake, but it is like the best accident I've ever had. His head looks way too big for his own body. I'm just gonna have one little companion here. Lily. My Lily. Okay. Oh yeah, and Siri, I hope you're watching this, or eventually will, because I love your channel, and believe me, I do mention you. By the way, I'm mentioning you, like right now. Siri Pixel Biologist, her channel, go watch it. Lily will be my little companion, and we got some dog food. Oh. A tragedy has happened here. We may bury the dead in its ocean crater. Mr. Inky the squid has died. R.I.P. May you float down river. Don't pick that up, Lily. Not though you can. I'm just pretending like in Siri's channel. Okay, the city never sleeps at night. I'm not going after you, sheepy. maybe running at a sheep with an axe isn't the best idea. Well, we're going to collect up as much wood as possible because we're going to need lots of wood. The city never sleeps at night. And only oak wood because honestly, I don't really like the look of birchwood. Come on, saplings. So these little pieces of wood will just remind me that to check back here, and if there isn't a sapling and I happen to have an extra sapling from a tree, to plant that sapling, but so we'll just leave those pieces there. Just so that, because I really like to renew the natural wildlife, so that it's not like I'm taking everything. Now, just because occasionally I like to make little the doors, I'll grab some birchwood. I'll grab that birchwood tree. Oak. Sorry, the wood. My words are messed up. Okay, sorry if my voice sounds really bad in this video. It's cough. That was animation, by the way. I didn't actually just make that sound. Okay, can't get at that tree. The city never sleeps at night. Oh yes, we have some apples. Not saplings, but we still have apples. I wonder if there's an animal that breeds to apples, like normal apples, because I know horses breed to golden apples. 1 second, guys. Hey, back. Sorry, my dad just had to ask me something. Okay, so, 12 minutes here. After the video's done, I'll probably just sort of mosey on, continue, but actually I can't do that while it's uploading. So we're gonna get as much out of this, maybe just not really talk, just sort of just do this so I can be as much focused on this. After this, I'm probably just gonna let it upload for like a half an hour and then read a book. Lie in bed. Quag. Hi Lily, my Lily. Okay. I wonder if we're actually going to be able to find any of those saplings. Ah, I died. That was absolutely hilarious. Ah, yes, sapling. Sapling, sapling all around. Saying sapling, sapling all around. What do you say? Sapling, sapling all around. Okay, uggalug, uggalug. Okay, so I've got a whole bunch of wood. Next episode will probably be building either my house or like an animal place. Okay, there's sort of a secret. I really want to build a horse shed. Like, not a whole big barn, but just a little thing for like 4 horses. I'm sorry, I like it. I like my horses. Okay. Ah, damn, not what I wanted to do. The city never sleeps at night. Okay. Okay, I thought that I saw like a perfect, not even Minecraft looking horse, just sort of bending down there, minding his own business, eating grass, and I was like, this place is magical. Okay, 14 minutes here. Actually, the video's gonna stop, so Bye. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.